Hello, guys. Good to be here once again. This is Samuel, your analyst. I hope you are doing great. You're welcome once again to our new subscribers or our new viewers to PTN Analytics. This is where we bring you valuable content, valuable technical analysis using Elliott Wave and Wyckoff analytics. We also merge these two methodologies with classical technical analysis. As it's our custom on this channel, before we start any analysis, we go over the analysis we provided in previous week and take inventory of our performance or of the results of those analyses. So, in few minutes, I would like you to take you through the analysis we provided and the result of those analyses in few minutes. I will start with GBP USD. You will recall that the market was here when the analysis was done, and we forecasted that the market was going to break this support zone and will come to the 180.207 region. That was the target. And we said we need to see a break and retest. What happened was that we had a break of that support zone and the markets went down. It got rejected here for most of our subscribers on the VIP channel that's on Telegram. We caught this move to this point and we closed partial. And I told our subscribers that the market had a tendency of going back to this support turned resistant area and then become a resistance zone for market to drop. So, and that was exactly what happened. After the market got rejected on this support zone and it went all the way up. We saw a rejection candle in form of an bearish engulfing at the resistance zone before the drop. And you realize that the price objective for this analysis has been fulfilled, even beyond what we projected. But we don't need to catch all the moves in the market. Just when our move is taken, once our target is hit, then we leave the market and come another day. That was exactly what happened here. We caught this move and the full price objective was met today. Congratulations to everyone who took this trade. Then we'll move to the next pair that was analyzed. We analyzed AUD USD. We said that we should enter on the break and retest of this trend line. This was the time the market analysis was done. We said also that once we see a break above this zone, we should look for a retest of that zone and then move upward. But that never happened. What happened was the first, outlook that was presented on this channel. We had a break and we had a retest, and we had the first run. We took partial on the support zone, and then we waited for the market to bounce off this resistance zone. But that did not happen. The market went all the way up and was rejected off the trend line. We took this trade here and we targeted this zone. You would see that the market has actually come to our region, the target zone for this, analysis. right now we should be expecting, some sort of reversal because price has already come to this zone. We may see more movement, but you need to check for what is called momentum and volatility. All right. So what we have here also, this analysis has also met our price objective. So this is also a complete win for us. Let's check another pair. NZD-USD, we said this market is not ripe to be traded. We're actually looking for break and retest. So it seems right now that we already have a break, and then we should be looking for a retest. So there is no opportunity to enter this trade. So we are only taking inventory of our performance. So far we've had 2/2. Let's go to the next one because this has not presented an opportunity for us. It will be dealt with on the analysis side. GBP USD cable. We said that this pair was going to reject off this zone. If we see any rejection, we saw rejection pattern, but we did not see, confirmation of the move to the upside. We're thinking it was going to happen on this day, but what we had was that the market went downwards, and then we got the reversal to the upside, which we've been expecting. And this outlook was exactly what played out. The market went upside, to give wave 4. And then we have a perfect wave 5, which also came to our price objective. Overall, our outlook was that we should be looking for a sell trade here. We didn't get it here, but we got it here, and we took the move downside. So this also was a win for us, and we were able to go with over 160 pips because we entered on a lower time frame at this zone. So we have about 170 pips on GBP USD from previous analysis. So now we've done 3 and we've gotten the 3 entirely, 100% win rate. All right. We did for EURJPY. Also, this analysis was fantastic. In fact, we also updated it on TradingView and we also gave the update. Initially, we thought that this was the wave E, but when we saw this reversal to the upside, we knew immediately that this would no longer be a valid wave E, and hence the need to reassess our count. And we had to reassess the count, and this became the wave E. And then our invalidation point means that once the market closed above this zone and moved to the upside, then we come out of this zone. What we had was that the market nearly touched that zone. For some people, it may touch it, but we need a closure, 4-hour closure above that zone, and then we call it a day. But what happened was that the market nearly touched it. For some broker, it may touched it, but there was no close above that zone. So what happened was that the market dropped, and then our target was hit. This gave us a whooping, 260 pips. 260 pips. Just this analysis was updated, I think, on Tuesday or Monday, and then just how many days we had this move. So this is also a win for us. So we have 4/4. Let's look at our analysis that did not play out. We were expecting, downward movement, continuation of the downward move. Once we saw this reversal, we're expecting this to move to the downside. However, the market went against us. So this outlook has been invalidated. I will update this chart and present my forecast to you as time progresses in the coming days. However, this analysis is no longer valid because it has violated our zone twice. This was the first violation. We thought we were going to take it, maybe this was an extension. little did we know that the market was still going to move upside. Okay, so this was a negative, and we lost just few pips, just not up to 50 pips on this trade. Okay, and then USD card. USD card also was another pair that we analyzed. Here, we made money on this move. We said the market, we analyzed, we provided the analysis when the market was here. We said we needed to see the market move to the upside. And that was exactly what happened. So we made money on this first move to the upside, which was to a tune of about 70 pips. And then we also made money on the second drop, on the first drop, which was about 70 pips also. Our stop loss was somewhere here, and then the market came back and took our stop loss. So this count is also not valid anymore. So we had two non-valid counts, even though we made some money on this pair. So overall, we can say we have 4/6 plus half. So we have 4.5/6, because on this move, we made money on the first move, we made money on the drop, but it was not concluded. So this would be rated 4.5/6. We provided 6 analysis last week, and then 5 or 4.5 of them played out, and which is a good success rate. Who would not join this platform? I encourage you to join our channel. Follow us if you are new to our page. We provide analysis based on Elliott Wave and Wyckoff theory. We also combine with some classical technical analysis in our analysis. All right, so the only analysis that I have for you this week is on gold. I have done that analysis on TradingView. I would like you to go to my TradingView to read what my outlook for gold is. I am bullish on gold because gold has completed the corrective phase 4 after the long impulsive wave 3. We had a correction in wave 4. Can we go there? Gold. So this is what we have on gold. This is what we have on gold. This is the long impulsive move on wave 3. So what we had on gold is that this correction lasted for it started in May, and now I feel it has come to an end in October. So we had the first run in wave A, sub-wave A, and then wave B was a contracting triangle giving us A, B, C, D, E, and then we had a breakout of this. This was a perfect entry for anyone who spotted this earlier. This would have given you a lot of pips. However, we are concerned about the directional move. Of course, we sometimes take advantage of the correction. So what I'm expecting gold to do, this is the completion of wave 4 in my opinion, and I expect gold to move in an impulsive 5-wave movement to this region, 2093.078. That is my outlook on gold. I'm expecting, a long period of bullishness. Of course, this may take more than 3-4 months to play out, but I'll be bullish. It will be very cool to enter in a small buy on gold at this very point, because you are going to put yourself in a position of advantage to take advantage of more than 26,000 pips. This is a lot. So with 0.01, you can become a millionaire in Naira just on this pair. That is just it. Trust me. So this is my only analysis for this week, and then I would update you in the course of the week as more data keeps coming. Don't forget, this week is also fundamentally, impactful. You need to keep an eye on the news, and then you trade with caution, of course. So that will be it for my analysis for this week from PTN Analytics. Don't forget, if you find this channel helpful and you find our content helpful, do well to join our Telegram group. It's free. You can also subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so that anytime we have a new video, you would also get a notification on your end. Thank you very much for joining. Bye for now.